civilization. It has been completely reckless. Took the power, manipulated it, twisted it, broke the law, brought the world economy to its knees.
Sick of the struggle, corporate greed. It's all for you, none for me. Pay your debts, stay in line, planet streams, people die. I'm a man, I'm not your product. We're all owned by the bank to keep stocks up. I'm a victim, you play the predator, but I'm a citizen, and you're the senator. I'm making paper, really paper. My money ain't worth shit, it's all fake, huh? I don't got a face, I only got a voice. I hope you got the time, cause you ain't got a choice. This a banger, a burning danger. We gotta open our eyes, we gotta wake up. This is our time, can't you see the signs? Take a look around, we ain't fucking blind.
We can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom let us speak, cause this is our time. Our time. Act loud. We can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom let us speak, cause this is our time.
Our town,
Our time.
our town. So what's it gonna be? Wanna save your life?